अमित शाह को चुनौती देता हूं, आपका हिम्मत है तृणमूल कांग्रेस को रोक के दिखाओ, हम आपसे वो स्टेट छीन के ले आएंगे। বিজেপির যা ক্ষমতা আছে বিজেপি প্রয়োগ করুক, বিজেপির যদি বুকের পাটা থাকে আর হিম্মত থাকে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসকে আটকে দেখ।
Slow and steady wins race. That is Abhishek Banerjee, reports Air News. Since childhood, we have been always fed with the adage, slow and steady wins the race. This is applicable in the case of TMC's heir to the throne, Abhishek Banerjee, who is now the undisputed numero 2 after Mamta Banerjee in the TMC analysis Diganta Guha. The outgoing Diamond Harbour MP has outsmarted even several old war horses to be revealed by supporters. The crowd that gathered for his nominations just proves this young man in his 30s is here to stay. Despite being castigated for his alleged role in several cases, Abhishek maintains a calm demeanor and has never faltered with his choice of words. And yes, despite facing barbs with his so-called clandestine links with the Saffron Party, he is no holds barred when it comes to taking on his foes. During his nomination filing, he said, "It is imperative that you don't vote for BJP in order to cleanse the image of our state." He was directly hinting at the Sandesh Khali videos that have opened a can of worms in the state. Similarly, while speaking on the alliance with Congress in the state, he said he tried his utmost. "I even met Rahul Gandhi at his residence at 6 a.m. to fructify the collaboration, but to no avail," he had said. There is a perception that Abhishek and his aunt Mamta don't see eye to eye on several fronts, and he even distanced himself for a while over certain consternation within the party. But now he is back in full swing. All these talks about his walking out on her aunt after the results have been nullified by experts and political leaders. Some, though, still question his existence. He will never do that. His very existence depends on Mamta, said Congress leader Arunava Ghosh to Air News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his trusted lieutenants attack Mamta over promoting dynasty within the party, and it is a well-known fact that many seniors, even in TMC, have in close circles shared their ire at Abhishek's rise. But Abhishek is unperturbed. He makes statements that are fortunately bereft of slams, but makes his point straight without beating around the bush. His suave personality has endeared him to his loyalists who swear by him. The young versus veteran war has been handled adroitly by him, including the innuendos from opposition parties. A TMC supporter says, whether you like it or not, Abhishek has been groomed well, which is why he can counter all the charges leveled on him. In some cases, he exhibits more maturity than Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He has the gift of the gab and is eloquent in Bengali, Hindi and English. So at the national level, he can come to the party's rescue at ease. This is the reason why Abhishek's rise is conspicuous by its pragmatic value. Former party spokesperson Kunal Ghosh calls him the Senapati of the party and swears by him. Kunal's ouster from the post of state party secretary is seen by many as an affront on Abhishek, but the latter has been silent on it. Similarly, he held front when the trained former state minister Partha Chatterjee was suspended by the party. On the same lines, he was the one who spoke about his party's neutral stance in the selection of the nation's vice presidential nominee. It was Abhishek all the way. His skills with words and his charm have pushed him up on the pedestal not only as an PM but also a go-to person for the new generation of political aspirants. Many say he has the subtle support of his aunt in throwing the spent forces out of contention. At the same time, there are others who are of the view that there are differences between the two of them over these contentious issues. But all said and done, Abhishek has arrived, and on behalf of his party, the drive to promote him as the next after Didi has to be accepted even with reluctance.